how to cast phone screen to PC. Click on this icon, then click on all settings. In next window, click on system icon, system, then click on in the right side projecting to this PC. In this window, here is some configuration I already configured. You can put it same as it is. Same as it is, you can configure. If this button is off, then please click on, then open this link. Your PC or laptop wirelessly connect, then go to your mobile, open the application screen cascading or screen mirror, as depends on your mobile. You will show here desktop ID. Click on this, click, and then start now. Here is your mobile phone has been successfully cascading with Windows PC.